Cascode amplifier. In a cascode amplifier, first we have common emitter stage, then followed by a common base stage. And we take the output from the common base. So such a connection is called cascode amplifier. So the given circuit is a typical example of cascode amplifier. Now this is the supply voltage VCC. We have two transistors Q1 and Q2. Vs is the input. So input is given to the transistor Q1. That is, input signal is given here. And the output is taken from here, collector point. So suppose the input goes like this. The output is taken from here. So it is 180 degree out of phase. That is, the input is given to the base and the output is taken in the collector of the Q1. So this connection is what? Common emitter. Input is given to the base, output is taken in the collector, means it is common emitter. Now if you carefully look the second stage, the input is given to the emitter and the output is taken in the collector. Input is given to the emitter and the output is taken from the collector. If that is the case, then this is a common base. So this stage is common base and this stage is common emitter. So finally the signal goes through the coupling capacitor C4 and goes to the load. So here only we see the output. Output is seen across RL. Now if you do the AC analysis, this capacitor is very important because this will act as a short circuit for in AC analysis. That means this becomes 0. So therefore this is a common base connection and this is a common emitter connection. This C3 is attached to the emitter just to amplify, to have more amplification. If you don't have this, for AC analysis, this will introduce negative feedback. Therefore, to improve the AC gain, we always connect a bypass capacitor called C3. Now we have to bias transistor Q1 and Q2. For that we have R1, R2 and R3. So the necessary bias is given to Q2 and Q1. This is for to set the Q point of the transistor Q1 and Q2. And this is the supply voltage. This is a coupling capacitor. So AC signal gets into the transistor Q1, which acts as a common emitter. And this second stage is a common base connection. And finally we see the output at load resistance RL. So this is a cascode connection. Generally the thumb rule for collector to emitter voltage. Suppose if you take this as 12 volts. If you want to make this as an amplifier, you set collector to emitter voltage approximately equal to 6 volts. This is the thumb rule. So when you do practical, you using a multimeter, put it in the voltage scale, voltage reading, voltage range. Then you measure collector to emitter voltage. Roughly it has to be 6 volts because this also have to share the voltage. So this can be anywhere between 4 to 6 volts. That means it is all set to amplify the signal. This is a common emitter followed by common base and you will get at the output. So this type of connection is called cascode connection. So how to remember this? A common emitter followed by a common base is called a cascode amplifier. And this capacitance is very important. So only while doing AC analysis, this will act as a short, so this will act as a common base configuration. So that's all about cascode amplifier. Thanks for watching. Nandri.